Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy General315 back again, another sneaker review video for y'all. And today we have an early look at the Jordan 1 OG High Brotherhood that is going to be coming out late February. I believe the release date is February 26th or 28th, somewhere along those lines. Before I get started breaking down the shoe, just make sure you guys remember this is an educational video. I got this shoe early from my guy Joe. He sent it over for a review so we can see the details and go through it together, see what we dislike, see what we like, and make our own opinions of the shoe. Just to let y'all know, this is a UA shoe. It's not the retail, but if you do want the retail, you can get it next month at the end of the month. It looks okay. I think this one will go relatively fast. It is a unique coloring of the shoe, but I do like it a lot. I think it's got some smooth colors on there, and we'll get to the history of all that. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram for more details, more pictures, where to cops, all that good stuff. Follow me on TikTok. I haven't really posted a lot on the TikTok recently, but I will pick it up as we go, as it starts to get warmer. And just make sure you guys go and follow us over there on that Discord. We do have the Discord up. It is growing, but we want to grow it even more. You can find all details on the Discord, where to cop. We try to help people get kicks. We try to help people locate shoes. There's a trading block on there where we can trade shoes. The Discord's really dope. You can find the link in the description. Make sure you guys get down there, click on that link, and go ahead and join us in that Discord. Also, thumbs up the video. Jumping into the shoe, a little bit of the history of this shoe that I read. This shoe is based off Jordan's college days. He was in a fraternity. I can't remember exactly what fraternity it was, but this shoe was based off those days when he was in college and he was in one of those fraternities. And I don't remember exactly which fraternity it was. It was Omega Phi something, but I'll put it on the screen so you guys can see it. And I believe that these are the colors of that specific fraternity. He paid some homage to that, put those colors on a Jordan 1 silhouette. And here we have the Brotherhood Jordan 1. Very, very nice. It kind of reminds me of like an LSU type of shoe. I know that the purples are different, but that purple and that gold, kind of like the Lakers, and that's a different purple as well. It definitely reminds me of, you know, the LSU Lakers type of colors. You have this nice, smooth, very, very soft colored purple. Very, very nice. The purple on the shoe is a smoother leather. You have this nice smooth leather, which is very nice. You have a nice smooth mid panel on that leather, but then you have this tumbled leather on the ankle, and then you have it on the toe box as well. And I thought that was a very nice touch. They did get this right. The toe box height is nice, and it has that nice curvature to it. I think that was dope when they constructed the shoe. I like that Wings logo. I'm glad that they didn't make it white. I like that they left it that purple color, so that's pretty dope. Heel of the shoe looks pretty good. It's got that nice hourglass shape. Medial side of the shoe looks just like the lateral side of the shoe. Gold outsole, that looks very, very nice there. Purple laces going up. I'm glad that they made the tongue of the shoe that white color. I think that that's clean, and I do like the Nike Air tag. That's pretty clean as well. It looks like this could have been pulled back a little bit more. It doesn't look too bad. I mean, nobody's really looking at that, right? The shoe did come with extra sets of laces. You have the white and you have the gold. I honestly think that it doesn't matter what lace you put in this shoe, because of how unique the color blocking is, the shoe is going to look good. I think it's going to look good with these laces. I think it's going to look good with the white and the yellow. It really doesn't matter which lace you decide to use. I think it's going to look good. This little piece right here, this was like the only flaw that I saw, and it looks like paint. I tried to get it off, but I couldn't get it off. I think it was almost like a rubber. It's like paint, but it's like a rubber. So, I mean, if that's the only flaw in the shoe, that's not really bothering me. It might bother one of you guys, but it doesn't bother me. The insole of the shoe is yellow. You have that purple Nike Air in there, so that looks good. Overall, I think the shoe is really good. I think that Nike brand and Jordan brand definitely did a good job with this one. I like the colorway. If I had to rate the shoe on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna give this shoe a solid 8. It's a little bit wild for me, but it is a nice colorway. I'm glad that they softened up the purple. In terms of construction of materials, the materials feel very good. The shoe fits true to size. I'm glad that they gave us those extra laces. I think that gives the shoe a little bit more personality, allows you to pop the shoe out a little bit more, and you're going to see a lot of people going after this shoe when this shoe releases. So that's my review of this one, guys. Go ahead and follow me on the Discord if you want to know where to get these. I'll hook you up with my boy Joe, and we'll get you laced up, all right? Let's jump into that on foot. You guys stay humble. You guys stay blessed. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Y'all, I'll be trying to get these on foots off quick, especially when it's cold. It is a little too cold out here to be doing on foots. It's like 20 degrees. So that just goes to show y'all that I'm serious about my craft. When I tell y'all I'm gonna be doing on foots, I'm out here getting these videos done for real. Brotherhood ones. I like the shoe. I think it's dope. I like the different play on the colors. Kind of like a play on the Lakers colors. But I know it has to do with that fraternity. I'm not familiar with that specific fraternity. It's on the screen right now. I'll put it on the screen so y'all can see it. My fingers are freezing. I'm gonna try and find us a little spot that I can just sit this camera down and do this on foot. Make sure y'all follow that Discord too. That Discord is popping. We starting to grow that Discord. Got a lot of people in there. Got the buy, sell, trade in there. If y'all wanna talk to each other and trade y'all kicks, buy y'all kicks from each other. We're the cop. And then you'll see them upcoming videos too. You'll see a lot of stuff that I'm gonna be doing. So make sure y'all go follow that Discord. Discord. I'm searching for the Discord. Discord. I'm searching for the Discord. What's good? We made it. On foot is done. This shoe right here, clean. I'm glad Jordan Brand did something a little different. Got that like LSU, Lakers kind of color blocking. Very, very mystique. Make sure you guys go and follow the Discord. The Discord is in the bottom in the description. Discord link in description. Did y'all hear what I said? Discord link is in the description. Hey, listen. The Discord link is in the description. Go to the Discord. That's where y'all gonna find everybody. I'm in there. AB is in there. Colo's in there. Chill's Kicks is in there. Trying to get everybody else in there. Tykeesa's tirade is in there. You know how he is with the tirades when he be going off. That man be going off on them tirades. Shout out to Tykeesa. Go and hit the Discord link in the description. Follow the Discord. We got y'all. All right? Y'all stay up. We on to the next video. Deuce.